Hello guys and welcome back to another Chan video tutorial. In this video, I will be showing you on how to multiply in Excel. It's important to know that there are many ways on how to do multiplication in Excel, but those methods are more advanced. Today we will be dealing more on the basic way in multiplying two numbers in a table. We'll use this data for today's tutorial to show how to get the product step by step. Here at column A are the items bought. Column B would be the price. Column C would be the quantity. And here in column D will be the result from multiplying the price by the quantity. To start with, select the cell in which you want to display the result. In this case we will select cell D2 to find the total price of fresh milk. Now, to start the formula, type in the equal sign. Then click on the cell B2 for the price of each fresh milk. Next, we will input the mathematical operation we want to perform. In this computation, we'll use an asterisk, which is used for multiplication in Excel. After that, click on cell C2 for the quantity of fresh milk. Now, hit enter and you're done. So, what we've just done is that we've told Excel to multiply the number in cell B2 with the number in cell C2. You can do similar steps on adding, subtracting and dividing in Excel. You can watch a detailed tutorials on how to do these calculations. Links are in the description below. But we're not done yet. I have a life hack just for you. If you need to multiply the numbers in rows 3 to 6, just click on the cell that contains the formula we've just created, which is cell D2. Hover over the bottom right corner of the cell until you see a cross symbol. Now, use left click to drag the formula down through the rest of the rows. And you're done. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. And also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell button to never miss one of our videos.